You know, it just happened to be one of those days. I was sitting in my office, completely stuck in an infinite perpetual doom scroll, trying to find something to do other than the work that I was supposed to get done. Now, normally this comes back to bite me in the ass when I have a deadline, but when the gods of the algo give you lemons, you make the most annoying thing you've seen that day.
Pretty neat, huh?
Six ought to do it. Yep. God bless Amazon. Never grow up. Yeah, that'll do it. Right. First time using the compact half-inch drive. Right. So much for being lazy. And I'll log circle. Another circle. .56 minus 0.57 is 3.99 divided by 2. 1.995. Dimension 1.995. Make circle pattern. This one. 4 pieces. Measure. Make circle. Now we got almost all the information we need. Hooray. Now we go to big computer and make drawing. It's all done. That was really easy to do. Just designed it real quick. I mean, you could look at some of the parts, you know. I even got the Wazer programmed. Like, all we gotta do is go cut it, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, that'll work. And I'll take it. Wait for it. Good. Good. Maybe. Ah, yeah, that's good. Yep. Got to trim those tabs out a little bit. See the little tab? Got to get rid of that. Other than that, yeah. Okay, let's redo it now. So the original model that I made had these stupid little tabs on them that I was just going to weld on, and you know what? I'm lazy. There's no reason for this extra work. So instead I remodeled it as a sheet metal model and integrated the tabs into it. So all I have to do is export the flat model and load it back up into the Wazer and cut it again. Pretty easy day. I think we'll just rinse this whole thing off for added suspense. and delays, because I have no idea how long this video is going to be. This is a very, very simple and easy part to build. So instead of building it, I think we'll just rinse the water jet. Here, let's drain some water out. Yeah. Oh, dang, you know what I just realized? I put my friggin' axle bolts back in. So that way I can go get some hardware that I don't have. Yeah, it fits. Perfect. Before I go out shopping to get some hardware, I cut down this 1/4 inch to load up into the water jet. It'll cut it all while I'm gone. But first, if you're struggling to learn how to weld, you should strongly consider booking one of our in-person TIG classes. Since 2017, we've been offering hands-on, in-person TIG welding classes, and our single-day aluminum and steel TIG class is hands down the fastest way to learn how to TIG. With no college courses, no prerequisites, no experience necessary to attend. We also offer 2 locations for learning, either here in Vegas at my shop or at the Prime Weld headquarters in Blackwood, New Jersey, just outside of Philly. At the Prime Weld headquarters, we also offer a single-day stainless steel only TIG class for more experienced welders looking to up their skills. So if you want to learn how to TIG weld from a pro or just up your existing skills, head over to thefabricationseries.com and book a class with me. You can also use the code TFS50 at checkout for $50 off any class. I hope to see you there and teach you how to TIG. This is just some scrap I found behind the shear. I know a bunch of machinists are screaming at me right now being like, oh my God, why are you using that? Well, it's worn out, it's junky. Thing doesn't even hold itself still. That's what we call a trash tool. Well, you know what? Let's bend it before. That's not even where the hole goes. Dang it. Oh well. Let's mark it. And then we'll go bend it. And then I'll put the hole in it. Pretty dang close. Pretty close. Interlube. I'm all right with that. So just in case you are new here, don't know anything about TIG welding, which is what I'm doing right now, or haven't watched any of my previous videos about TIG welding, or have been to any of the classes where I teach TIG welding, the stuff that you're seeing coming off of this, all the smoke and sparks and stuff like that, is very unusual and abnormal and not right when it comes to TIG welding. It's not supposed to happen. The reason why it's happening though in this case is because I am welding galvanized bolts. Galvanized coating contains zinc. It is very harmful to breathe in. It'll make you sick. You know, it's not a good thing to be doing. What you don't see is the fume extractor sitting just above my head that's making a lot of that noise, along with the welding machine itself. So normally you want to be in a very well ventilated area if you're going to be welding galvanized or zinc products, and you should be wearing a respirator. But to be safe overall, just don't weld it. I mean, it's gonna be hidden by a bell, but there's no reason to make it not look really nice at the same time. Except for this side, because I had to weld through a bunch of zinc, and that stuff sucks. Oh well. That ought to clear the socket just a little bit better. Kind of looks like a... I'm literally just thinking in my head now, like there's no way this is gonna work, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. I even bought the most expensive hardware, Home Depot. Did I buy the wrong size? Jeez, these are sloppy. What do you expect? It's the only thing open on a Sunday. I don't really need the top washer. It's just kind of there, you know? Help it slide a little bit easier, but that does look really ugly. And I almost bet it's going to interfere with the bell. Yeah, it's already touching the bell. Okay, none of that hardware. Okay. This is too simple of a friggin' idea. There's no way. The inside has these impressions left in it, and there's 3 of them, so it allows the bell to ring. But since there's only 3, it's automatically wanting to sit crooked, and that kind of sucks. Okay, same bolt. Just added another washer. This is obnoxious. I love it. No way this is gonna work. It's not supposed to work in forward. Oh no, it's actually quiet. Every time I slow down. Okay. Not a bad way to spend a Sunday. If you guys want to see me build something else stupid kind of like this, send it to me. The.fabricator. See you guys next time.
Pretty neat, huh?